As many of you know, Jacky Oh, DC Young Fly's longtime partner, died in Miami after receiving a mommy makeover. She was found unresponsive in her hotel room and was quickly rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. She leaves behind 3 beautiful children. DC Young Fly asks that him and his loved ones get the privacy that they need during this difficult time. He's received an outpouring of messages from fans and friends offering their condolences, and he has thanked everyone for their well wishes. While there is speculation on the cause of death being a heart complication or a blood clot, the actual cause of death has yet to be revealed. We all know within this industry, a lot of pressure is put on these women to look perfect, have the perfect body, have the perfect face, not one hair out of place. And I'm sure that pressure can get to them sometimes, especially because they're human and they're just trying to navigate their lives. But there's always someone there telling them that they don't look good enough or that they need to fix this and fix that. And also, if they're an influencer and a massively popular influencer, there are surgeons that will offer them these surgeries for free and at a discounted rate. And their safety is not in mind. It's just so that they can get more business and more clients to come to their practice. It's just a really sad cycle. And unfortunately, even with this happening, there are a lot of women who will still go and get these surgeries performed. For those of you who don't know, a mommy makeover is a surgery that a mother will get when they want their bodies to return to their pre-pregnancy state. A mommy makeover can include a breast augmentation, some type of abdominal operation, like a tummy tuck or abdominal muscle tightening, vaginal rejuvenation, and a BBL. Most of the time, a breast augmentation and tummy tuck are performed, and the tummy tuck can be the most risky part of the operation. But you are at an increased risk with a mommy makeover because you are putting all of these operations into one, and sometimes the complications can happen months after surgery. While death is the worst complication, there's also the risk of blood clots, skin necrosis, or even hemorrhaging and bad scarring. You can also have a reaction to the anesthesia that's administered. If you are including a BBL into your mommy makeover, sometimes the fat from the fat transfer can get into your veins and travel to your heart, which is deadly. Now, it has recently come out that the surgeon performing her surgery, Dr. Zach, was not board certified and also had really bad reviews from patients who said they were botched because of these surgeries. And Dr. Zach has sued a couple of his patients due to this, but later dismissed the lawsuits. It is always recommended to go to a board certified doctor because doctors who aren't board certified can sometimes cut corners that can be fatal. It doesn't mean that there's no risk when a board certified surgeon performs your surgery. Board certified surgeons are well versed in various types of surgeries, and they know how to manage problems when they arise and how to perform surgeries safely. They also work and train with many surgeons and learn how to perform surgeries in various ways. Surgeons that aren't board certified don't receive the same type of training, and they also typically aren't able to perform surgeries in hospitals. And if a problem arises, they can't transfer the patient to the hospital. Now, sometimes influencers will get a discounted rate or a free surgery if they promote that they're getting this surgery because it can bring more business and clientele to the practice. When it comes to things that are about your life and can put your life at risk, you should go to the top doctors or surgeons, or at least find one that is board certified. It's honestly recommended that they're double board certified because they also know how to not only perform the surgeries, but deal with the problems that could arise from the surgery. Hazel E had 2 mommy makeovers, and they both were really traumatic and horrible situations. She got skin necrosis. She had to get her breast implants taken out from her breast augmentation. She had to get her tummy tuck redone. She had to get wound therapy. There's so many issues that arose from her getting these surgeries. And when she went in for her second mommy makeover to fix what she had previously gotten done, she also had a bad reaction to that surgery. And that's also a prime example of just because someone else got the surgery and had a great reaction doesn't mean you will, because everybody's body is different. Everybody's body reacts differently to surgeries. If you are going in for these type of surgeries, you want to make sure you're going to a surgeon who really knows what they're doing and follows a code and where safety is their priority, because you never want to go to a doctor that wants to cut corners. It could really be bad for you, even if it's not fatal. But down the line, you could have a lot of complications due to them cutting corners. I'm very saddened by this news, and my heart does go out to DC Young Fly and his family and Jacky Oh's family, as well as the children. This is really sad and unexpected, and it just shows the risk with any surgery that you get. You just don't know how you're going to react, and you don't know what will happen.